Okay, this is the quick tutorial how to make 40-minute videos. So basically, you just go in here, select instead of 3 minutes, 40 minutes. You can theoretically also do this, but this is way easier now. You type in the title, you type in all of the steps. The steps you can easily get, for example, by going into Gemini and asking it to generate all of the steps based off of a YouTube video, for example. But in my experience, you really have to know the steps to then also be able to make a proper recording. That's how you enter in all of the steps. It's normally somewhat like 40 to 60 steps. Next, you select your target length for 40 minutes, for example, really depending on how long the reference video is or what you're expected to produce. You can't produce a 40-minute video if the reference is only 20 minutes long. That would be a little bit hard. And the part length being defined as 8 minutes is obviously only an estimation. The actual part lengths are being determined based off of topic. So down here you can copy extra instructions like that for this topic specifically the AI should use hired this and this topic. So then you're gonna click on generate. This will take a little bit longer and look something like this. You can download the full audio if you want it to record it offline. But you can also play it here individually for each part, or download it individually for each part. Quite easy, no big deal. And the cool thing here is that you have to record also the audio of your screen. And if you do that, the clips automatically align with the video, because the video obviously also has the audio track of the audio that we will put under it. So what you're going to do next is upload all of the videos you recorded, for example here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here should be the 7th clip. You drop it in here, not into audio, but really drop it into right here, because if you drop it in here, it is sort of lagging. I have to fix that. Then it's being uploaded, same as with all the other clips. And now you have given every audio a recording. So you can send it to the stitcher. That's it basically already. In the stitcher, it is automatically selected. You don't have to drop in another voiceover. Make sure this right here is enabled so that the video is being cropped depending on the audio speed. And your output file name is defined here. You can select music by enabling this thing. It's a little bit time intensive because it loads a lot of music tracks, but really don't need it to. You can enable captions. You can enable transitions between the clips, but in my opinion, all is not needed. And after selecting all of that, you can click on starting the render. Okay, this is the fulfill effect. I mean, it is already rendering right here. Good. And down here, you'll see the progress of how far along it is with rendering. Obviously, you do not have to wait for it to finish. You can directly start the next one because this will finish automatically. And at the end of the day, you can go down here, go to completed, and download all videos. If you have any questions, contact me, please. I'll quickly fix this little thing here, and then you should be ready to go.